Check this out, a 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. We just don't see these that often. It's got the 400 engine, 330 horsepower. This is an all number match, two-owner car up till 2019. It underwent a comprehensive restoration. I have documentation, photos, receipts in here. We had the Pontiac historical documentation. We had the glove box pouch with all the manuals, literature, protecto plate. Beautiful, exceptional car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find over 200 classic cars that are all for sale. Each one is a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so these have the rubber nose on them. And this one is in excellent shape. The nose is beautiful. There is a hairline, couple cracks. They all get it. The GTOs, the Firebirds, they all just naturally crack. But it's just a hairline. You don't even feel them. But I need to point that out. There's no nicks on the nose or touch-ups. It's a beautiful shape. It has the dual scooped hood. Sides of the car absolutely straight. It's got the sport mirrors all the way down. The gaps are precise. Thing is laser beam straight. That's a big door. You see how long that thing is? It doesn't drop at all. This is all straight, beautiful, pristine, outstanding, all looking really good. The body fit and finish is probably better than when it left the factory. All this is in mint shape. Good, that wipes off. All around here, pristine, square. Yeah, look at the size of this door. The jambs are painted just as slick as the outside. Refinished in its original palladium silver, they called it. All the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not cloudy or blotchy. The clear coat is polished smooth and glossy. That's a really impressive paint job. Getting back to these scoops, I really like these scoops. You know, you have the Trans Am, there's the shaker hood in the middle. You just don't see these. I like them. And here's that nose we talked about. It's in beautiful shape. The grill is all shiny. The bezels, everything up here is sparkling and beautiful. It has a new windshield, has the exterior decor package. That includes this trim right here. I think this here, the rain gutter. All this trim is in very good shape. It's shiny. Has a little discoloration, but it all looks really nice. The rubber seals are soft. Door handles look new. The rest of the glass is good original. The Rally 2 wheels, it came with those. They're on the Pontiac historical papers. They're restored properly as the right center caps. Even the Pontiac unique to Pontiac lug nuts. 14-inch, I believe. Yes, they are. Wrapped in reproduction Firestone wide oval tires. Back here, the 400 emblem, the tail lights, the bumper, all that is sparkling. The Pontiac letters, it all looks really sharp. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more good stuff to show you. I tell you what, this car is exceptional. It's just really detailed and well done everywhere, including this trunk compartment. Bottom of the trunk lid all painted nice and slick. So is the jamb. Look how nice that's finished. The weather strip is replaced. Look how clean inside. The rubber mat fits in there very nicely. Nice spare on a Rally 2 wheel. Has a jack assembly. It's all clean. It's complete. That's a really nice trunk compartment. Go to volocars.com and check out all our inventory, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. So like I said earlier, jambs are as slick as the outside. Weather strips replaced. Has a legendary interior. They're a premium manufacturer of the reproduction interior. So the soft part of the door panel is all replaced. The plastic part, probably the original. The window cranks look new. Very nice, clean, simple dash. Wood grain dash. You got a speedometer, gas gauge. That's about it. And then you got the dummy lights. Heater controls look good. Original cigarette lighter. Original AM radios in place. It's just tidy and clean. Up, around, everywhere. The vents, the plastic, the kick panels, the knobs. All nice and tidy. The floor, not only is the carpet replaced, but it fits very nicely. Has these nice Pontiac mats, and I think he painted these silver to match the car. I think. I don't recall seeing them silver before. Has the factory optional center console. I'm going to guess it might even be new reproduction because it's mint. The whole bezel, the knob, all of it's in real nice shape. Check this out. Cup holders. Very nice. The original clips for the seat belts. All the seat belts are here. So real nice upholstery. Headrests are replaced. All looking good. You got mats back here. Reupholstered seats. The plastic side panels all look to be very good. The rear shelf. All looking real nice. Headliners replaced. Fits real nicely. Dome light works. We got shoulder belts. Looks like the original visors. The mirror probably new. Original steering wheel in very nice shape. Yeah, so really very, very tidy, clean car. If you're about being meticulous, yeah, even the hinges are painted all shiny. And this is 1970. That was the peak of the horsepower. It is a 400, made 330 horsepower. Completely rebuilt motor. It's bored, it's balanced, it's bored 30 over. And we have the paperwork on that. It's a completely redone original motor. I mean, this is the motor that came with the car, matching VIN number, codes, correct valve covers, air cleaner assembly. All the components look correct. The engine bay is all taken apart and painted up very nicely. Radiator was recored. Shroud is in real nice shape. All the pulleys, brackets, all look real nice. New alternator, has power steering. We got the washer bottles hooked up. A Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables. Cadmium plated booster, the master, the lines, all that looks new. Wiper motor looks new. Under the hood, all finished off very nicely. It's a detailed engine compartment. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll talk to you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got this really nice 1970 Formula 400 Firebird here, and I just love the visual from behind the wheel on this one. That big old long hood with the dual scoops there, so cool, so sleek. Just killer looks from the driver's seat on this one. Something really nice to peek your eyes on here. So the restoration is really good on this, and our shop thought it was a really good restoration too. We only had a total service bill of about $1,000 on it, and a large portion of that was just spent on detailing the car. So we got it really nice and pretty spotless. And other than that, we just fixed the lock on the driver's door to make it work with the keys and everything like that. So very dialed in car, and it started easily and done everything that I wanted to today for us. So let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, up to highway speeds without a hiccup at all. I tell you, that 400 engine with the 400 trans combo, that's got to be one of the slickest setups of all time. Just more than enough power when you need it, and just a great feel. Definitely. Let's see how she goes down the road. Really good alignment on this one, guys, and holds true to what our shop said about it being dialed in. Yeah, I can't say enough about this one. I really do dig it, and it's just a really fun experience. So yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. You can spend as much time with the car as you'd like. And other than that, check out all the details and pictures at volocars.com.
So the underside of the car is restored beautifully. All the floors look to be dry, clean, original metal. They've been prepped and dusted with some black paint so they look fresh. All the steering and suspension has been rebuilt. Being the Formula 400, it comes with their ride and handling package. I think different shocks, springs, has sway bars front and back. I've seen a receipt in there. The steering box is rebuilt. Whole stack of receipts. A lot of parts are from Ames Performance. They are the Pontiac parts suppliers. They get the right stuff. The correct dual exhaust with the sideways transverse muffler, they call it, and the polished stainless steel tips coming out the back there. All the brakes are redone. All the lines, fuel lines, brake lines, all replaced. E-brakes hooked up. Fuel tank looks like new. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has the correct starter. He restored this back to, factory condition. VIN number match engine and VIN number match turbo 400 automatic. Also has the 1970 tag riveted to the side of it. Has its original 12-bolt rear end with 307 gears, so it's a nice cruising gear. Again, two-owner car to 2019. Wonderful restoration. If you're particular, you're going to like this car. It's unique, it's different, sharp looking. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 70 Formula 400 delivered to your home and how to get finance if you need it. Thanks for watching.